Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to sign into your Google account. So first, once you're in Google, click on the profile icon, then click on your profile, scroll down to manage accounts on this device, click on add account, continue. Now put your email in. Next. There isn't one like this, but let's go. Next. Also, damn. Okay, I'm not a robot. Next. Enter your password and you're in. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.